Hi guys, today I received this outdoor pendant light fixture for reviewing purposes. It's an aluminum frame and it can be placed on wet locations, okay? It uses E26 light bulbs, okay? So I think it's really nice. When we open it, we find the light fixture, okay? The shade and everything. And here, as you can see, it comes very well protected with lots of foam, okay? And this is the proper main unit, okay? Okay, this is it. It's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it looks. Come on. First, I'm gonna place this hook upon, I'm gonna place the chain. After that, I'm passing the cable through it so we can place it upon the light fixture, as you can see it right now. And then we're gonna just screw the ceiling fixture like this, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It was a really quick installation, as you've seen, and it looks really nice, and it's perfect for the outdoors because it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it. It's hanging, you can adjust the hang of it, so it's really nice. And let's see how it looks turned on. Okay, as you can see, it looks really nice. I placed this cold white light bulb, which I think looks really nice, and it's perfect for anywhere you want to place it outdoors, okay? And that's why I will recommend it. See you guys.